Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Right, so today we'll be exploring briefly how to use XLOOKUPs. Of course, I know you guys have been expecting me to make a video on VLOOKUP, but let me shock you, I'm making a video first on XLOOKUP. So maybe in subsequent videos we'll touch VLOOKUPs and XLOOKUPs. Right, so today what I want to achieve is I want to be able to search for a name right here and get the person's salary. I want you to search for a name in this table right below. I want to search for the name formula and get a salary. So let's write a formula to help us do that. So use your XLOOKUP, right? So you're searching with the name formula, you click that cell, right? You're searching within what range? You're searching for that name in this table from cell A5 to cell A15, right? So you also put your comma, right? Then you want it to return the value here that is proportionate to it, right? And close. So you come here and look manually, formula here, you have our figures 88,035. You come here and change this name to edit, the figure changes, right? You can always play around. So try this out from your end. I'm using XLOOKUP and get back to me. Thank you for staying tuned. Watch out for more